So right now we're just readying the twins because they're really naughty.
Stop doing this.
They keep on crying. And then here's Daddy with Ishmael and OOTD Mommy on the go for diaper changes.
Wow.
And yeah, sige guys. And this van was actually rented for how much? We don't know. But okay guys, see you later. So we're at the elevator right now. We're coming right through the elevator. We're going inside the elevator. And then
6 tayo kayo namin.
No.
Kami na 6 square tayo.
Yeah,
6 square.
Mommy, OOTD fit. The shoes. Nice. Daddy, OOTD fit. What hoodie is that? What hoodie? From the back?
BB.
Sir. Ang laki. Disneyland. Welcome to Disneyland. So guys, my bad, I didn't get to video puto. Pero so what happened is the stroller got hold by security because you're not allowed to bring a wagon because there's so much space and it's just like a safety hazard. But my dad
But Drobo stroller is okay.
Yeah.
Which is bigger.
Yeah, so we're just gonna fold the stroller, but but at least the guards were nice, so they gave us a 1-day pass, like a one-time pass for only today. So guys, buti na lang talaga. Ito guys, look what it stands for. Dad, wait lang.
Gawin mo yung 18 to.
OTE, which stands for one-time exception. So it's only a one-time exception, guys. But yeah, before going to Disneyland, you have to ride the train.
So guys, bawal ang wagon. Hindi namin nabasa. Just the wagon, Dada, right? Any stroller, any types of stroller, double stroller, pwede. Oh, trains are coming! Hop in, Ethan! Eldridge! Eldridge! Kasha pa? Okay. You're here. Buhay ng madaming bata. Are you excited, Ethan? You're riding in a train. Choo-choo! It's weird. Ang ito na, guys.
Yes! I saw you.
Daddy?
You're now going to the Yay!
Hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall
Di
from
ba na nila?
If an article should fall, please stay seated until
Oh
the next stop.
my god.
Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to the Disneyland.
Huh?
For your enjoyment today, Disneyland will be open until midnight. Disney California Adventure will be open until 10 p.m.
We're now en route to Disneyland. Main entrance
Ooh.
gateway, Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District.
We will fix your shoelace. What? Are you excited? You want to sit there? Yeah, later. Later tonight, we're gonna see a lot of fireworks. Very, very colorful. No, this time it's funny. It's happy. Happy fireworks. No? Wow.
Baka sa
That's the first thing that they can't do. We're Welcome to Enchanted! Where's the admission? You are here.
You are here.
Saan daw? Information. Hotel.
Sabi ng
Monorail. Where is that?
This is the Mox, guys.
This is the map.
In that.
You're here in the Disneyland. Main. Hindi pa.
No, we're still over there, yeah. Mami, ano? Pasok na tayo ng Disneyland.
Oh, yeah, we're here. We're here. So we're done with the admission ticket. Okay. Daddy, yan yung famous na ano, Daddy. Yan, dyan sa Mickey Mouse yan. Tapos sa gitna, may pila. Shiu. Pila ka na dun. You know, sa Disney. Oh my God! So kakatapos lang namin mag-picture kanina. We're going to the train now. Yeah, we're going to the train. We're going inside now. So yan. Nagmamakpal na yung dalawa. Hello? 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 We're here, Disney. Hello? Train is full. Okay. Train. Choo choo. Are you guys happy? Are you happy? Riding on the train. How was it then?
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Rail inside the train.
Bye-bye!
Watch your kids.
Wow, ang cute. Ang cute naman nung nagbababay na yan. Oh, there's a horse. Hi! Hi! Oh, he's moving. What is that? I don't know. Ethan, are you having fun? Ethan? How about Eldridge? Are you having fun?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Good. How about Tasmael?
Having fun in the train.
You're having fun in the train. Good job. Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry?
I want to eat ice cream.
No, I have burger. You want to eat burger?
Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you.
Oh, there's another train.
Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop.
She moved. Where's the thunder? No! Ethan! Wow! Wow! Oh no, what's that? Oh no. You had fun, Ethan? Riding a train? May mga rides. So pagpasok natin dito, ito yung sa may lake. Nakita natin, diba? So pasok muna tayo doon. Eh pero ito na yung bilog eh. Diba?
Oh, ito na yung bilog.
Ito na yung bilog. Oh, daddy, yung daming Disney ano. Oh, cute. Sige lang, dire-diretso lang. Hindi yata, isa yata nagsasalita tsaka isang ano. Sinasabi.
And guys, ang laki guys nung Starbucks dito yun si Daddy. Tapos yun guys.
Yeah. Military discount. Military discount. Card. Wow. Yaman naman. Bakit kami yung mga tumblers? I'm gonna get another tumbler. Thank you.
Ayun guys, ang daming tumblers dito. Iba-ibang klase. Tapos, ayan pa. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung bibili si Mami. Ayun guys, kukunin na po namin yung order. I think the drink looks nice. What's your order? A strawberry acai. Saan mo napili yung bag mo? Shein. Ito.
Shein.
Ito.
Shein.
Ito.
Ross.
Nice. Yan lang? So guys, nandito na po kami. Pupunta na po kami sa castle. Ayan po guys, oh. Ayan guys, ang castle. Ayan po si Daddy. Ayan po si Mami.
Wow. Pinakamahal pa to. Ano kung mga tres na?
Touch the ice, eh? Ice. Touch the ice.
Magkano yung popcorn na? $12.99? Oh my God. Bawa ka mo. Bigay yung mga kapatid. Oh no! How many do you want? How many? What color? Green and blue? Wow. Yan yung pinakamahal na popcorn. $13.
Sit down. Where will give you? Sit down.
We will give you. What corn dog, Dada? Hindi pa tayo nakakalayo. Hindi pa po kami nakakalayo ng Disney. Oh my God.
Guys, nagtipid kami ng maraming buwan. Nagtipid kami. So,
This is it.
Order po kami na corn dog. Guys, napakamahal dito sa Disneyland. Mas mahal yung mga ibang bagay dito. Kunyari, ito po guys, this is $12. Kasi
$12.99.
sa Ross, guys, naalala mo mami nung nag-Ross tayo, ganyan.
Sobrang
kalaki
laki.
Popcorn, $6.99.
Yeah, this one. $10.59. How about 2? Make it 2. Kuya, make it 2. Ah, okay, just 1. How are you guys? Yummy? Yummy green popcorn?
So guys, andito pa rin po kami. Nasa entrance po kami guys. Hindi pa po kami nakakagalaw. Oo guys. Oh my God. Guys, tinan nyo to guys oh.
Oh my God. Next.
And guys, ito na po kami. Tomorrowland. Yan guys, masyadong mabilis yan guys. Hindi pa pwede. Tapos ang haba din yata ng pila para dyan guys. Grabe oh. Yan guys, Star Wars. Guys, I think this is like a saber battle.
Nagka-intindihan. Sabi ko, tignan muna natin lahat. Sabi ko, tignan muna natin lahat. At lista mo kung ano yung gusto ng kuha. Diba?
Akala ko sabi mo, tingin muna natin na. Sabi ko, tingin mo natin Star Wars.
Mami, may isa pa blasters.
Yeah, blaster.
Hindi ko na po yata alam kung nasa na po kami. Ayan guys, grabe yung stroller oh. Guys, kung sa Pilipinas to guys, walang matitirang gamit dyan. Ayan guys, napakadaming stroller oh. Nakaw yan guys sa Pinas. Ayan si Mami, tingin-tingin pa rin ng map.
Nandito pa rin ako guys sa map.
Asan na ba tayo, Mami?
Hindi ko nga maano eh. Hindi ko nga makita eh. Ito ba yung Star Wars? Tomorrowland.
Ayan guys. Hyperspace Mountain.
So, ang balak namin guys, mag-iikot-ikot muna kami since 3-day pass naman kami. Tomorrow.
Ayan guys, Pizza Planet.
Star Wars.
I think kainan yata yan guys. Oh, guys, ang daming Star Wars dito. Grabe. Grabe yata yung hype dito nila sa Star Wars. Yan si Mami, taga-check pa rin ng map.
Nandito pa lang kami guys. So, dito kami galing sa entrance.
Okay.
Nandito pa lang kami. Wala pa
Oh,
kami
nakakalayo na pala tayo.
Wala pa tayong 1-4.
Autopia. Autopia, that sounds like Honda. And guys, winner circle. Dami guys, tao talaga ngayon. So guys, ayan si Mami nag-upgrade na yung map niya. Level 2 na siya guys. Mami, explain mo sa kanila kung kailan lang yung fireworks.
Oh, every Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh.
So, yung buong trip namin.
Walang fireworks.
Hindi namin ma-experience.
So guys, disaster na po kami. Ethan, kalat na po lalo dun sa popcorn. Sige naman, nakalimit ako ng popcorn.
Thanks, Kuya. Tandaan na lang, 3 days pa natin yung popcorn na yan.
Oh my God, Daddy! Have you tasted cotton candy?
Guys, may Mickey Mouse Castle. Ayun, yung diretso. Ayun na. I can see it now.
Pero ito maganda.
Ano yan? O yan. Ayan nga yung kanina. Oh, cute. Parang nakakahilo naman. So So patapos na yung araw natin, wala pa tayong nara-ride. Ethan Eldridge, look at Mickey Mouse Castle. Whoa, look. How big. Oh my God. Let's go to the castle. What is that? You want to see? It's a map. How are you, Telemel? Are you okay? What is he eating? Uy, grabe naman yun. Ang ganda. Dati din ako kung gaano kaganda. Grabe. Try natin dito. Sobrang dami, guys. Na-overwhelmed kami. Tari!
Oh my God, guys! Wow, guys, ang ganda! Oh my God! Yo, this is cool!
Mama, saan mo nalagay yung stroller?
Daddy, pinark kita sa
Ayan, guys, papasok na po kami! Is the light? Ang guys, ang angas! Grabe, oh!
Not those guys again!
Wala.
Dastardly destruction with their fatal mixture of dip, that terrible green liquid of destruction. Dip? That's a load of succotash! I repeat, the weasels are on the loose, on the streets of Toontown with Toon Toxic Dip. So beware, all citizens of Mickey's Toontown are at great risk to life, limb, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. You can say that again! All citizens of Mickey's Toontown are at great risk to life, limb, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Guys, nakapunta na kami! Kamami, mag-iyak mo na na!
Oh no! Oh my God! Gawin ka na! Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Tapos na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh my God, Mommy, ano sa tingin mo? Kadad, ano sa tingin mo?
Sulit yung rides.
Grabe! Guys, ang sulit! Grabe! Guys, hindi pa yun yung pinaka nakakatakot na ride na nasakyan namin. May mas nakakatakot pa, guys. Ano lang yun, guys? Ano lang yun? Little lang yun. Grabe, guys. Nakakatuwa. Hala, saan yung ano natin? si Tutu pala. Oh my God. Kala namin guys na wala na to. Oh my God, iiyak kami.
Ethan! Oh no! How about Eldridge? Eldridge, go now! Go! Faster! No! Ethan did that! Oh, see? Ayan na. Ako rin talaga yun. Oh no! Oh no, 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 yung baby! Ayun na, magkatabi! Madami na yung kakairita! Wow, ito ba? Oh, no, 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 Ethan. Careful. Eldridge third. Wow! Oh, wow! Yan ang big boy mo na. Big boy mo na eh. Ay, oh my goodness. Ala, sa'yo, di ba nasa yung wipes ko na ano? Kinuha mo? Oh, stop na. Stop climbing na. Let's go play other game na.